Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 8 power x minus 2 power x by 4 power x minus 2 power x is equals to 17 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 8 we can write it as 2 times 4 whole power x minus 2 power x by similarly 4 we can write it as 2 times 2 whole power x minus 2 power x is equals to 17. According to exponent rule, x times y whole power m, we can write it as x power m times y power m. So it becomes 2 power x times 4 power x minus 2 power x by 2 power x times 2 power x minus 2 power x is equals to 17. Now I can take 2 power x as common. So 4 power x minus 1. So 2 power x minus 1 is equals to 17. So we can cancel out this. Now 4 we can write it as 2 square whole power x minus 1 square by 2 power x minus 1 is equals to 17. In numerator, I am going to use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, a plus b times a minus b. First, I am going to write this in terms of this. So 2 power x plus 1, 2 power x minus 1 by 2 power x minus 1 is equals to 17. So we can cancel out this. So 2 power x plus 1 is equals to 17. 2 power x is equals to 17 minus 1. 2 power x is equals to 16. 2 power x is equals to 2 power 4. Now if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So the value of x is 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.